Yo YouTube, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're doing part 2 of the s550 console swap and show you what come in the mail today. So we got e-brake shifter boot, or sorry, s550 e-brake, s550 center console boot, s550 shifting boot, and a carbon fiber bezel that goes in the front. So we're going to try to attempt swapping this over into the Fox. So wish me luck. Also got to show you the order the red stitching, so it matches. So. Alright, so this is how far we've got so far. We have drilled and screwed this in using the old bolts of the center console. So we're going to try to maybe cut the cable and send it through the old hole, that hole right there. And I think I might have to order the SN95 conversion kit cables, and then we'll keep you updated as you go. Obviously this is a learning curve for us, so I can't record everything. It'd be like 4 hours. So just, you know, have some faith, stick with us, figuring it out. So keep you updated. All right, so at a standstill, my fault. I need SN95 brake lines, or I guess you'd say e-brake cables. So
little modification, nothing big, I don't think.
So yeah, you're gonna have to be seeing us next week because I don't know when they'll come in and I gotta go order them. But e-brake is mounted. I don't want to put on the top piece yet because I don't know how I'm gonna get it unclipped. So I want to get all the e-brake stuff, make sure it works. I'll put on the top piece, and then we'll put in the shifter boot. We'll put in a little bezel cup holder thing. So
I need to figure out wiring too before we put the top piece on.
Oh yeah,
we'll figure, it's a process, but
yeah, I gotta figure out cigarette lighter wiring so I can plug in the USB so it can work. So keep you updated.
That ultimately resulted in the interception from Jarrett Stidham. You see Josh McDaniels spending some time with the quarterback. Part of his message was, if you're confused, just call timeout. You don't have to make everything happen right now. Tell him to settle down just a little bit, and then Stidham position too.
And the only other quarterback on that Raiders side.
What you think about the haircut? Nah, this ain't what you're here for. Anyways, this is part 2, center console. I don't know what to say because I didn't have the e-brake lines. They go to the rear disc brakes, so that'll probably have to be part 3. Sorry. This one though, got the shifter boot bezel. Got the e-brake mocked up to where I want it to be, and we just have to bolt it in or figure out something to bolt it in, maybe riv nut or something. Bolt down the actual console. I did have to cut more of the piece that comes down, that goes around the climate controls and for your stereo and stuff. And I got a little pocket bezel that's carbon fiber. That's pretty cool. And I don't know, I think it looks really good. I still got to do the wiring for the cup holders, so I'll just update you guys because this is like really time consuming and I can't just stick a camera on me doing it because it could be, I don't know how long it'll take. So I'll just update you guys on process and everything. And obviously, if you have questions, just leave them down in the comments. I can help out however I can. I mean, there's only so much I can do. But all in all, it's pretty simple so far. Nothing crazy that I've needed major. So, other than that, it's going pretty smooth. You know, spend more time on it. Obviously, it's going to get a lot further, and it looks really good. I think seats, a newer radio would really bring the interior together, and then maybe some future stuff. But yeah, so this is just appreciate you guys tuning in, watching. Stay tuned. This is just a start, baby. So I have everything mocked up. Need to bolt down the rear of this. Need to put the side pieces on and the little pieces that go up there. I'm thinking I might order another one of this, or order another center console. This one was pretty beat up, as you can tell. Around here, it's all gone, and this obviously doesn't belong in here, right? And e-brakes mocked up. I need to do the cable to make the rear brakes work, but for now, that's mocked in. Just need to bolt this down, figure out the lights for cup holders and the cigarette lighter. Probably not going to do the USB. Other than that, though, I do need a new stereo, and yeah, it kind of looks ugly right there, but I mean, like I said, this doesn't belong in here. It just looks a lot better. It matches the steering wheel, the red stitching. This doesn't hit anymore. I got this fixed. So, red stitching on that, red stitching on this, red stitching on, and then hopefully when I get seats, it all comes together. But this is where I'm at so far, and I'll update you whenever I get further.